Hey, this is Gary Ulmer down here at Bish's RV in Junction City. Today we're looking at the North Trail 25 bunkhouse. It's a pretty nice unit. It's got just about everything you need. Power jacks, large storage. It's got solar. Oh, what else we got out here? Tinted windows. This outdoor kitchen. I don't think I've ever cooked inside my trailer. It's just maybe some bagels. First, these floors, it's got plywood underneath. Much more durable than the particle boards. And the tongue and groove. It's got the full-size bunkhouse. Large sleeping area with the curtains for privacy. Large bathroom. Lots of sitting room. And then this beautiful circular dinette. Lots of people sit around here, converse while you're eating. It's a nice family unit. A little spot here for your TV. It'll hold up to a 50-inch. Your microwave, oven. Lots of storage for food. Pans, pots, everything you need. A little fireplace here for some ambiance. More storage up above, nice little dinette light, and a 6 cubic fridge. And then your private bedroom in the back here. No, that's a king size bed. Even better. Let's see what else we got. Well, this is a small unit, but it's got everything you need for your family. If you've got any questions, give me a call. Once again, this is Gary Ulmer down here at Bish's in Junction City. Give me a call at 541-321-5281.